Lately, I've been really meditating on and moved by the goodness of God. There's one song that's been on repeat. There's a line where he says, "It was all working for my good. If only I knew back then what I know right now. Nothing is wasted in your hands. God, you didn't forsake me, and I know you never will." This line brings me to tears almost every time I hear it. And lately, there's been a lot of tears. Not tears of sadness or disappointment, but tears of gratitude, tears of joy, happy tears. I was chatting with someone the other day about how I worship through my tears. I used to be embarrassed by this when I first began my journey with God, but today I embrace it. I am an emotional being, and tears are typically the way that I let those emotions out. There's so much gratitude in my heart that I almost feel overwhelmed by God's presence in my life as of lately. I've been struggling to pick up the camera or sit down and express this, so I decided to try something different. Reflecting over the last year of my life, all the changes, all the shifts, the moves, the leaps of faith, the heartbreaks, the disappointments, and the failures, the wins, the success, all of the things that led me to this moment of total delight. I finally understand what Psalms 37:4 means now. Delight yourself in the Lord, and He will give you the desires of your heart. My prayer is that in your own journey, you will find some sense of delight and peace in your own life, wherever you may be in this walk. Know that God hasn't forsaken you, and He never will.
Nothing is wasted in your hands. God, you didn't forsake me, and I know you never will.
you all are enjoying this format of video. I wanted to just come and add some more context as to, I don't know, life, what I'm doing, where I'm thinking, where my head is. Lately, I've been really enjoying embracing like the slower moments of life and the peace that I have now. And I just feel so grateful for that. And yeah, I don't really have the desire to share beyond that. Like, it feels just forced every time when I try to create in the ways that I have in the past or in the ways that I feel like I should be. So I'm just gonna do what feels organic and natural to me right now, and it is documenting and sharing these moments. So I hope you're enjoying them. I did want to add there's a particular areas that I have been really focused on lately that maybe it'll give you some motivation, inspiration in your life, but those areas for me have included my fitness, my nutrition, and beauty. And I've just been feeling really called to add routines and practices and schedules to my life. So one of the areas is fitness. And today I decided that I'm going to commit to doing a Stairmaster challenge. So for 30 days, I'm gonna attempt to do at least 20 minutes of the Stairmaster or 1,000 steps. And then also, as far as my nutrition, I am cutting out sugar, cutting out alcohol, at least for 30 days. And for beauty, as you can see, my hair is in a protective style. So if you want to know more about like my exact regimen and like my hair care routine, comment below and I will put it together. But basically protective styling, and most likely for my birthday, I'm going to straighten my hair or get my hair professionally styled. We'll see though, because I'm a little suspicious of that. So yeah, fitness, nutrition, and beauty are the areas that I have been focusing on and that I've been really excited to create some discipline around. I think in January, I'm actually going to get a membership at a Pilates studio. Once I kind of shed some weight, I really just want to focus on toning. So this month I'm focused on, or for the next 30 days, I'm focused on losing weight. And then in January, I'm going to focus on like toning, Pilates, etc. So I'm excited. I actually am kind of thinking about doing Vlogmas this year. Let me know if you will be interested in seeing a video for me about the holidays. I'm gonna host a little intimate dinner party for my birthday pretty soon. I'm also gonna be hosting Christmas here. So if you guys are interested in that type of content, like let me know, because the stuff that I've been interested in making lately is really not like what I think you all want to see. So let me know what you want to see, basically. All right, I have a meeting. I'm gonna finish my matcha and I will talk to you all later.